Hey y'all, it's Panda Packs.
And today is day 38 of opening 2023 Big League Baseball.
Believe it or not.
Until we get Parrot.
And it's not looking good.
It's not looking good.
We've already opened 2 mascots in this box.
So hopefully there's something else cool in this box aside from it, or a bonus mascot.
I'm going to be seeing these in my dreams.
I know.
All right.
All right, well. We are giving this the old college try,
I mean,
y'all.
you can't say we didn't try.
Joey Votto on the big leaguers, DL Hall, and then base for the rest.